In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Nexus, which is a word puzzle. You can do this puzzle collaboratively as a big group, so let's look at one right now and see how it works. A Nexus puzzle consists of 16 words, and our job is to group these 16 words into 4 groups of 4 words, and each of the 4 words in a group is going to have something in common. So let's do an example together. So we're looking at those words and we're thinking, okay, what do some of these words have in common? The title of the puzzle will usually give us a little bit of a clue as to what some of the categories might be, right? So here it seems fairly obvious that pairs of words form an entire phrase, right? So I'm seeing cream and sugar, that's a phrase, and I'm guessing the other 2 words in that category are also related to hot beverages, so maybe half and half, right? So these are things you might put in your coffee. What else can we see here? So hocus pocus is a phrase, and let's say smoke and mirrors. Great. So every time we're getting a category correct, the 4 words in that category get highlighted and they get moved to the top of that grid. So we have a couple of groups left to go here. It's The Young and the Restless, and The Bold and the Beautiful. Maybe these are both TV shows. I don't quite remember. Soap operas. All right. So, great. Once we solve the puzzle, we're done. It'll tell us what the categories were, and that's it. So that's how you play a single round of Nexus. A couple of things to note here. When you're doing this collaboratively as a group, anyone can click on any of the words, but you're submitting a guess collaboratively. So to submit a guess of 4 words, you have to click on 4 of the words, but multiple people can be doing the clicking. But if I click on a word and then you click on the same word, you will actually unclick my guess. So we do have to communicate about, okay, no, you click the word, you guess those 4. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that all these puzzles are timed. So if you run out of time, it'll tell you the correct answer, but it won't count as you having gotten it correct. And yeah, the final thing is that every time you finish a puzzle, you can always change the difficulty. So for example, if we keep going with this and we decide to increase the difficulty, then we'll get another Nexus puzzle, but it'll be slightly harder. Okay. So I really like this game. It's super quick. It's super fun to try and figure out as a group what the categories might be. There's lots of red herrings because many words mean multiple things. So it's a really fun time. Hope you like it, and thanks so much.